Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a complete comparison of Peacock Premium versus Premium Plus, including their features, pros, cons, and which one is actually worth your money in a simple and clear way. First, let's understand what both plans offer. Both Peacock Premium and Premium Plus give you access to the exact same content library. That means you can watch the same movies, TV shows, live sports, and Peacock originals on both plans without any difference in content. So no matter which one you choose, you're not missing out on shows or exclusives. Now let's talk about the main difference, which is ads. Peacock Premium is the cheaper plan, but it comes with ads during shows and movies. These ads are similar to traditional TV, so you will see interruptions while watching. On the other hand, Premium Plus is mostly ad-free, meaning you can enjoy content without those interruptions, although a small amount of content may still include ads due to licensing. Another important feature is offline viewing. With Premium Plus, you can download select shows and movies and watch them later without internet. This is something you don't get with the standard Premium plan. Premium Plus also gives you access to your local NBC channel live, which can be useful if you want to watch live TV, news, or certain events as they air. This feature is not included in the regular Premium plan. Now let's talk about pricing. Premium is significantly cheaper, usually costing around $10 to $11 per month, while Premium Plus is more expensive, going up to around $16 to $17 per month. So you're basically paying extra for fewer ads, downloads, and live NBC access. Moving on to pros and cons, starting with Peacock Premium, the biggest advantage is affordability. You get full access to all content at a lower price, which makes it a great option for casual viewers. However, the downside is ads, which can interrupt your experience, especially during longer shows or movies. For Premium Plus, the biggest advantage is the smooth viewing experience. Fewer ads, offline downloads, and live NBC make it feel more premium overall. But the downside is the higher price, which may not feel worth it for everyone, especially if you don't mind ads. So, which one is actually worth it? If you're someone who watches occasionally, doesn't mind ads, and wants to save money, then Peacock Premium is more than enough for you. But if you watch a lot of content, hate interruptions, or want extra features like downloads and live TV, then Premium Plus is the better choice. Both plans offer the same content, but the real decision comes down to your viewing style and budget. Premium is great for value, while Premium Plus is better for a smoother and more flexible experience. Subscribe the channel for more videos.